In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar in Google Calendar. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to Google Calendar. Once the page loads, take a moment to look at the layout so it feels familiar. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main sidebar where your calendar lists and settings are organized. This is where you'll manage additional calendars that you want to view alongside your own. Next, look for the section labeled Other Calendars in that left sidebar. This area is specifically designed for calendars that are not part of your primary personal setup, such as shared team calendars, public calendars, or calendars from external sources. Finding this section is important because this is where Google Calendar gives you the option to add something new. Right beside other calendars, you'll see a small plus icon. Go ahead and click that icon. This opens the menu used to bring in another calendar. If you don't notice it right away, look carefully next to the section title, since the icon is fairly small and can be easy to miss, especially on a crowded screen. After clicking the plus icon, you'll be given different ways to add a calendar. If you want to find and follow someone's calendar using their email address, choose Subscribe to Calendar. This option is useful when you're trying to view a calendar that has been shared within an organization or made available to you through Google Calendar. Once you select it, you can search using the appropriate email address and follow the prompts shown on screen. If instead you already have a link to an external calendar, choose From URL. This is the right option when you're adding a calendar feed from another platform or a public source. After selecting it, paste the calendar link into the field provided and continue with the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. As a helpful tip, make sure you choose the option that matches the type of calendar you're adding. Using Subscribe to Calendar works best for calendars connected to a Google account, while From URL is meant for imported or externally hosted calendars. Picking the correct method from the start will save time and help avoid confusion. That's all there is to it. Once added, the calendar will appear in your list on the left, making it easier to keep multiple schedules in one place.